Welcome to 60 Seconds Civics from the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. Today we are joined by a special guest, Christopher R. Riano, president of the Center for Civic Education and co-author, along with William Eskridge, of Marriage Equality, From Outlaws to In-Laws. Christopher, what was the impact of the series of cases that eventually led to the Obergefell case?
There's a long history of federal cases like Romer v. Evans and Lawrence v. Texas that eventually lead up to Windsor v. U.S. as well as Obergefell v. Hodges, which are really the federal Supreme Court marriage equality cases that all really focus on two particular elements of the U.S. Constitution. In some cases, they focus on issues arising under the Equal Protection Clause, and in other cases, they focus on issues arising under the 5th and 14th Amendment due process clauses. But we eventually get to a point in the Obergefell case in 2015 where the majority of the Supreme Court found that the liberty interest that exists in the due process clause of the 14th Amendment and the equal protection clause that exists in the 14th Amendment provide the dignity that's required for LGBTQ couples to have the right to marry the person of their choosing, same-sex couple, and that has to be the law of the land under the U.S. Constitution.
Thank you for joining us again today, Christopher. That's all for today's podcast. Thank you to our sponsor, T-Mobile, the leader in 5G.